Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. Dear students, in our previous class, we discussed questions of exercise 7.4. I solved some questions for you to make you understand how to solve problems on division, and you also solved some questions as classwork. Now I am going to solve some questions from question number 12 to 21 to make you understand, and thereafter you will solve the remaining questions. So I am solving question number 14, question number 16 and 21 here. Please see the solution and try to understand. Remaining questions you will solve as your homework. So all of you read question number 14. It is written here, total fare of aeroplane of 13 person is rupees 88,075. What is the fare of one person if fare of each one is same? So here fare of 13 persons given, and we have to calculate fare of each person. So for this we will divide the total fare given by total number of persons. So we will write like this: total fare of 13 persons is equal to rupees 88,075. Therefore, fare of each person is equal to. Therefore, fare of each person is equal to total fare divided by number of persons. So we write rupees 88,075 divided by 13. So when you divide, you will get the fare of each person, and it will come rupees 6,775. Okay, you will divide it up and you will write here the fare of each person. I hope you understood. I have divided, that's why I have written the answer. When you will solve, you will divide on the same page to write this answer, and at last you can write the fare of each person is equal to rupees 6,775. I hope you understood this solution. Now all of you read question number 16. A cycle dealer bought 45 cycles for rupees 56,250. Find the price of one cycle. In the same way, you will write total cost of 45 cycles is equal to 56,250. Therefore, cost of one cycle is equal to 56,250 divided by 45 to get the cost of one cycle. So let me write here solution 16. It is given cost of 45 cycles. So we write total cost of 45 cycles is equal to rupees 56,250. That is given. Total cost of 45 cycles is equal to rupees 56,250. And therefore, cost of one cycle is equal to rupees 56,250 divided by 45. Means when we divide total cost by number of cycles, we will get cost of one cycle. So when you divide, you will get cost of one cycle, and it will come rupees 1,250. 1,250. So this is the answer. And our last one, thus cost of one cycle is equal to rupees 1,250. Answer. This is the required answer. I hope you understood this solution also. Now the last question I am going to solve for you is question number 21. All of you read this question. I am going to solve question number 21. The question is here, a car covers a distance of 1,280 kilometers in 16 hours. How much distance the car covers in 1 hour? Very easy. You divide the total distance covered by car by total time to get the distance covered by car in 1 hour. So you can write here total distance covered in 16 hours is equal to 1,280 kilometers. 1,280 kilometers. Therefore, distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 1,280 divided by 16 hours. So when you divide this, you will get the distance covered by car in 1 hour, and it will come after division 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers. So at last you write thus the car covers a distance of a car covers a distance of 80 kilometers. Directly write 80 kilometers in 1 hour. Answer. So this is the solution of question number 21. I hope you understood all these 3 solutions. On behalf of these solutions, you will solve the remaining questions of this exercise. So your homework will be exercise 7.4. solve remaining questions. Solve remaining questions of exercise 7.4. You can see like this also. Solve remaining questions of exercise 7.4. This is your homework. So thank you students for this class. Bye. Please take care.